On day 12 of her murder trial, witnesses shed some light on Lori Vallow Daybell's finances once again. Vallow is the Rexburg mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee, and her husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell.
6 witnesses took the stand. The day started with a Rexburg police detective finishing up his testimony from yesterday. Abby Davis joins us now with a breakdown of what else happened in court today. Abby?
Well, Brian and Morgan, both the Rexburg detective and an FBI agent walked the court through timelines built from financial records. Those timelines help paint a complicated picture about where money was going and who it belonged to. A deep dive into Lori Vallow's finances unveil another layer in the murders of Vallow's kids, JJ and Tylee Ryan, and her late husband, Charles. During day 12 of Vallow's murder trial, Rexburg Police Detective Chuck Consaitis talked about an email Vallow sent to her accountant about tax return money.
Detective, what was significant about that document to your investigation?
Well, first off, she's explaining that Charles Vallow, her former husband, had passed away, and she was looking for information on how to obtain monies to be forwarded to her address as she was moving.
Detective Consaitis said the email appeared to be a normal exchange until they looked at when Vallow sent it.
The date of the email sent was September 9th, and pursuant to our investigation, we believe Tylee was killed between the 8th and 9th of September. The time on the email that was sent was 5:03 p.m., so this is just hours after Tylee was, we believe, buried in the backyard of Chad Daybell.
After Consaitis, FBI forensic accountant agent Mike Douglas took the stand. Douglas walked the court through various timelines using financial records.
Regarding this case, I reviewed nearly 80 bank accounts.
He says between October 2019 and January 2020, Vallow received more than $22,000 from Social Security benefits.
Are all of the Social Security benefits paid out after the deaths of Tylee and JJ and associated with those children deposited into that Compass account or BBVA Compass account that you've referenced?
Yes, ma'am.
His timelines also revealed Vallow's oldest son, Colby, requested money from Tylee through Venmo. That was on September 8th, 2019.
Tylee responded back that she did not have the funds in her account and that Ms. Daybell was receiving them.
But in October, Douglas said there was a Venmo transaction from Tylee's account to Colby.
Tylee's Venmo had activity in Kansas City, Missouri,
where Vallow and her niece were visiting friends. Later in his testimony, Douglas said on June 9th, 2020, Chad Daybell issued 3 transfers from his credit union to his children.
It was between 9:50 and 10 a.m.
He said each transfer happened the same day and time officers searched Daybell's property and found JJ and Tylee's remains. More people testified today, including another one of Vallow's friends. We have a full recap of their testimonies on our website, ktvb.com. And of course, Morgan and Brian trial picks back up again tomorrow morning.
We know through all these financial records and all the testimonies speaking to what Lori and Chad were allegedly doing around the time of the kids' deaths, they're trying to prove these charges of grand theft and conspiracy related to the deaths of Tylee and JJ, as well as Chad's late wife, Tammy Daybell. So charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft as well.
Lots to keep track of. Thank you both for doing that.
Yeah, you bet.